The scales found in contract phase is answer placoid. Next question, which statements is totally wrong about the occurrence of notochord while the other three are correct? Answer, it is absent throughout life in humans from the very beginning. Next question, organism referred to as amphibian of plant kingdom are answer bryophytes. Next question, which plahelminths possess high power of regeneration? Answer, planaria and dogacia. Next question, algae shows haplonetic life cycle are answer ectoworms and polysymphonia or calps. Next question, which is incorrect about cartilaginous fish? Answer, in males the polyphenes clasper are absent. Next question, frogs differ from humans in possessing answer nucleated red blood cells. Next question, flame cells helps in extraction and regulation in answer tapeworm. Next question, most of the algae show answer haplonotic life cycle. Next question, which statements about certain given animals is correct? Answer, roundworms are postcollomates. Next question, bryophytes are found in answer moist and shady places. Next question, the complex post-fertilization events are seen in answer gracilaria and porphyria. Next question, which are characters present in phlohelminates? Point 1, some absorb nutrients from the host directly through their body surface. And point 2, digestive system is incomplete, branched and without ons. And point C, flame cells solenocyte protopheria help in extraction and osmoregulation. And point 4, hooks and sugars are present in parasites form. And fifth, hermaphrodites. And sixth, fertilization is internal. And seventh, indirect development through many larva stages. Next question, the study of fishes is called answer ichthyology. Next question, which kind of animals are trypoblastic? Answer flatworms. Next question, pear-shaped gametes are found in answer ectopus, dictoeta and fucus. Next question, flat eliminates are called flatworms because answer their body is dorsoventrally flanted. Next question, in bryophytes answer dominate halopid multicellular gemophyte alters with diploid sporophyte. Next question, marine with streamlined body, catecholines, endoskeleton, mouth is ventral, caudal fin is heterocercal, notochord is present throughout life. The above characteristics belong to which organism? From these answer, these is only 4 numbers which belong this. Question, the class name Cyclastomata means answer mouth is anterior, ventral, suctorial and cellular. Next question, which one statements about all the 4 of spongilla, leech, dolphin and penguins is correct? Answer, spongilla has special colored cells called conocyte not found in the remaining 3. Answer. Next question, polysulfate ester are present in the cell wall of answer Gelidium and Gracilaria. Next question, the following features belong to which phylum? Answer, the following features belong to Platyhelminthes. Next question, when both the phase of life cycle are multicellular, halipod and diploid phases are more than one called answer life cycle are called haplodiplonetic. And B, they differ in the dominant phase. And C, they are in petrophates and bryophates.